I'm Stice. I've been a business school professor for 35 years and have taught at business schools all around the world. You can learn more about me and about my brother, Jim, at our website, sticelearning.com. If you learned something interesting in this current event video, please remember to like it and subscribe to our channel. On July 7th, 2021, the chairperson of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, gave a speech that addressed ESG. ESG? Well, companies around the world are paying increased attention to environmental, social, and governance, or ESG issues. The SEC is taking an increased interest in how companies are disclosing their ESG policies and actions to shareholders and potential investors. In many cases, ESG reporting is voluntary, but many corporations are eager to reveal their ESG-related information, even though that information is private and can be embarrassing. These companies know that if they don't report anything, stakeholders, outside parties are likely to assume the worst. The SEC is discussing the creation of a standard framework for ESG reporting for publicly traded companies in the United States. On March 11th, 2021, the acting director of the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance gave a speech titled, quote, ESG Disclosure, Keeping Pace with Developments Affecting Investors, Public Companies, and the Capital Markets, close quote. On June 22nd, 2021, an SEC commissioner gave a speech titled, quote, Can the SEC make ESG rules that are sustainable, close quote. Obviously, ESG disclosures are on the SEC's mind. Thus, just as there are mandated reporting formats and disclosure content for financial information, such as income statements and balance sheets, there would be developed similar standardized requirements for ESG information. Now, to illustrate the scope of ESG disclosures companies make now, let's take a look at the 2021 Environmental, Social, and Governance Summary released by Walmart. Walmart's report includes a message from both Walmart's CEO and from Walmart's CSO, the Chief Sustainability Officer. The 4 areas of information provided in the report are opportunity, sustainability, community, and ethics and integrity. The report contains a dashboard of measures of progress in each of these areas. For example, among the opportunity measures, Walmart reports that in 2020, 46% of promotions among management staff went to women, and 39% went to people of color. Among the sustainability measures, Walmart reports that 36% of electricity used by Walmart globally in 2020 was supplied by renewable sources. Among the community measures, Walmart reports that in 2020, the company donated 627 million pounds of food to food banks, food pantries, and meal programs in the United States. And among the ethics and integrity measures, Walmart reports that over 942,000 of its workers, called associates, have received ethics training. Now, in addition to the increasing amount of ESG reporting, there are also an increasing number of ESG-related shareholder proposals appearing in companies' annual proxy statements. For example, in its 2021 proxy statement, Google described a shareholder proposal for the nomination of a civil rights expert to the board of directors. Another Google shareholder proposal requested that the company, quote, prepare a report assessing the feasibility of integrating sustainability metrics, including metrics regarding diversity among senior executives, into performance measures that may apply to senior executives under the company's compensation plans. Bank of America produces an annual report titled Environmental, Social, and Governance Performance Data Summary. In its 2020 report, Bank of America reported that it purchases 100% of its electricity from renewable sources, that 48% of its U.S. workforce is people from diverse ethnic backgrounds, and 38,619 of its mortgages issued during the year were to low and moderate income first-time home buyers. You can see that large companies are being forced to devote more attention to environmental, social, and governance, ESG issues, and to report what they are doing. I hope you enjoyed this current event. Please remember to like this video, share it with a friend who needs to understand what you and I now know, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.